how to force restart or force quit your Apple Watch 9. So if your Apple Watch crashes or certainly the screen not responding, you can force restart it. So to do that, you press on the crown button and the side button or the power button. Press on both buttons and hold. So let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Press and hold. Now continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. So continue to hold. And continue to hold. Continue to hold. Now once you see the Apple logo appear, you can let go of the buttons. And that's it. Now just wait for the watch to boot up. And from there you can enter the passcode to regain access to your watch. And that's it. Just now enter the passcode to go to your watch face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.